project back on the stand. Light hits the paint, turns red to gold. Every mark's a story somebody told. Not a museum, not a show. It's where the real ones learn and grow. Welcome to Bill's Anti-Tractor Corner, where the past still pulls a little harder. We don't shine it up for fame, we just make it run again. Grease and time, no second guess. Old I'm done right, nothing less. Yeah, this is Bill's Anti-Tractor Corner. Cameras rolling, tools on the wall. Got a few good friends, seen them all. Ranch is home, ranch is home, like a song I know. You can't fake pride, it's got to show. Doesn't matter what brand you drive, it's the work that keeps it alive. Welcome to Bill's Anti-Tractor Corner, where the past still pulls a little harder. We don't shine it up for fame, we just make it run again. Grease and time, no second guess. Old I'm done right, nothing less. Yeah, this is Bill's Anti-Tractor Corner. Not about glory, not about views. It's the hands, the grit, the busted knuckles too. From the shop to the field to the county fair, you can feel the work in the air. Welcome to Bill's Anti-Tractor Corner, where old hearts beat a little stronger. Turn the key, feel it burn. That's the sound of lessons learned. Grease and time, no second guess. Old I'm done right, nothing less. Yeah.